Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reduce image size in Outlook. So for this you have to go first on Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, then take a new email and you have to choose a photo. So you have to go for insert. Now click on attach file. After that you have to choose folder from which you want to insert an image, then choose an image. I'll choose this one. So click on it. After that, right click on it, and in this list you can see here send to option. Go to it. After that, go for mail recipient. So click on it. So you can see there is picture size option. You have to click on drop down option here. Then you can choose smaller size, small size, medium size or large size. Because you have to reduce image size, then you have to choose small or smaller size. So I'll choose small size. After that, you have to click on attach. While you can click on attach, it will be attached. So guys, this is how you can reduce image size in Outlook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.